What's up, guys? So we back with another seafood boil.
We got
some shrimps.
They're pretty much jumbo shrimp, but like I think it's Alaskan shrimp, and there's another wild caught or something shrimp.
The ones I picked out are Argentina.
Well, mine's are Alaskan, I think.
Yeah.
This so bad. We need to know what we eat.
Yeah.
But we got some snow crab, and we're just gonna dig right on in, y'all.
And some lemons.
Y'all. Well, let me get a bite in first before I explain how hard it was to get this together.
Shrimp.
Yes.
And we got some Blove sauce.
Some Blove sauce.
Yeah, it's the first time making it, first time trying it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna dig into it.
We're gonna dig right in. Right on in. So y'all, take his first bite.
These are different than the ones we usually get.
Oh, look. Got the Blove sauce high.
What shrimp did you taste?
Alaskan or Argentina?
Argentina.
I think ours look the same now.
I know they do, don't they?
Yeah. I think these are the ones that I picked. I think. Y'all had to devein them. The ones that Babe picked out. Because mine really didn't have no vein in it, but man. Because you know, it's really not vein, it's the poop line. But oh my gosh.
Blove sauce.
When I tell you that. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Woo.
What's done by the sauce?
I'm sorry, Blove. I sat up there. I said Joe butter sauce was just a regular old butter sauce. Silly old me. Sorry, Blove.
Silly, oh you.
This sauce is everything and then some. It don't taste like a regular butter sauce. It doesn't. Honestly.
Gotta put that lemon rain that Blove said.
Do you care if I have this crab leg?
Oh, I don't care.
Y'all, I'm stingy.
I ain't got the juices everywhere.
Sorry. I missed you, crab.
That lemon rain.
There's not no regular sauce at all.
Regular. That lemon rain. Oh, I see now. The difference. The ones with white coating. Oh yeah, this is definitely the Argentine red shrimp. And that's it. Yep.
Yeah. Deveining the
everywhere.
Deveining the shrimp was a job, because I've never seen that much of a poop line.
lot.
Yeah, like a ton. So
It's definitely a lot.
y'all look at it. Look at it though. Look at it though. Woo, baby. Baby.
Oh, we got a fly.
I'm gonna mix you around in here. Just like that.
Don't mess around and get ate too.
For real.
Dipped in this sauce.
You really like them shrimp, don't you, babe?
Yeah. This dang fly.
You about to kill him? Be like, be love. Kill that sucker. Yeah, y'all, getting all that poop line out of the shrimp was hard. Like, I mean, some of the poop, like, it's gonna sound really bad, but like, if it's not a whole lot, it's okay to keep it in. But that was like more than I've ever seen before. No exaggeration. So, do you agree with that, babe? It's just a little bit. Okay, we can keep it
a lot,
but it was a whole lot. Whole lot.
Y'all, I'm disappointed because we went to like 3 different stores to get king crab. I wanted king crab legs. And nobody had any. Come out. We can order it, special order for you.
Yeah, I
like
feel
y'all
like
had them all the other times we came. Even the times we didn't come for king crab.
I feel like they was just not meant to have it.
I guess so.
Everything happened for a reason.
I guess so. I'm gonna get some. My birthday next week, y'all. Next Tuesday, the 16th. My birthday. My birthday.
You ready, baby?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Ready for what, my birthday? Yeah.
One thing I really do need to work on is my faith. Because every time I think, man, we ain't gonna make it, blah, 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 blah. We got everything we need. And then some. I'm grateful. Very grateful.
I keep knocking these dang shit.
You eating your crab now? We got some other legs in there. I ain't that many, but.
Yep. That's why you always gotta keep believing.
Yeah. Most definitely.
Even when your back is against the
the
wall. Yeah, keep believing. Keep positive thoughts in your mind. It's hard,
It is hard.
especially when you're in the midst of a storm. But baby, that victory dance, one heck of a dance.
Breakthrough gonna be one heck of a breakthrough. That's why with our YouTube channel, I don't even stress it because I know that it might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but one of these good old days, our YouTube is gonna change.
Okay.
Sorry, bleep that out. It's gonna be off the chain, y'all.
That's
We're
why,
gonna be big YouTubers.
like, we might not. We
I
might
don't
not.
want to be that big though. I don't want to be big.
I do.
I mean, I do.
I'm
but
ready for the stars.
like, I don't want to be Damo and Chrissy big. You get all that.
But how about them? I'm too busy eating. When she taking up all the floor time for her long story. Took her 2 hours to tell them.
Dang.
I forgot what I was gonna say now. What was I gonna say?
Talking about YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Like, we might not have everything that we need, you know, for our YouTube. And right now we're recording off our phones and stuff.
But we're still putting out really good content.
Yeah, but we're gonna keep doing it. You know? Even like the ones that who are big, who are up there, they tell you they didn't start out with a whole bunch of subscribers. You know, they didn't start out getting comments and likes and all that. They didn't, you know, they started out at the bottom. They started out recording with their phone or whatever they had to record with. And but you just gotta keep pushing.
I mean, some people can afford to start out with every single thing that they need.
Yeah. Some people
And not even a month, their shit goes viral, and you know they're a big YouTuber. But for people like us, our time is definitely gonna come. As Blove says. That's why I'm not even worried. If you put in the work, it's coming to you.
Yeah. As y'all can see, like, well, I definitely watch Blove videos like every day now, every day. I just love them, like their whole family.
Humble.
Very humble. Like, they know how it is. Starting from the bottom, and you know. And then they, you know, they like to help people out. Those that don't have that many subscribers. And that's what it's all about, you know. Once you get up to the top, help other people get up to the top.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I can't wait to, you know.
We get up to the top. I got so many plans, y'all.
Definitely.
I was thinking about it this morning. I don't know if I told you, but I want to do free manicures and pedicures, or full sets, or whatever it is they want, for women and men. It don't even gotta be homeless. It could just be somebody that just don't got the money for it. Everybody deserves to be beautiful, and I feel like when you feel beautiful, you feel better.
Mm-hmm. Build your confidence up.
Yeah. So that's one thing I want to do.
A lot of people don't go for their dreams and stuff because they don't have the confidence.
Yes. Look at that, babe. You want that?
No, go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah,
Your crab leg.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We back, guys. I'm actually pretty full right now, but I'm gonna keep on eating.
Full?
Yeah, I done smashed like 3 shrimp off camera because we had to cut the video for a minute. Hot. Back in the middle. Let's go.
Alright. Don't get a copyright.
Oh, damn. We not big enough to get copyright.
Nah, we be the ones
To get copyright, yeah. today, y'all. I'm not good at this, y'all. Because I'll eat my food before showing y'all.
Do we be eating up in there?
Where?
Up in here. Because some people, I see some people eat, like, sometimes be meat up in there like that.
What part are you talking about?
In the cluster part. Ooh, that's how you do it. Good old season.
Talking about that little piece?
The cluster, the big white cluster part.
I eat everything. Hot.
We eat it all.
Go.
Even these little pieces. I'm really mad they ain't have no king crab. I was ready to tear into them big old pieces of meat.
She was like, no, we could just wait. Y'all, I wanted these
Yeah,
crabs.
she didn't want to wait.
I'm not finna wait.
She wanted the crabs to that. This fly is like really trying to. Like, come on, bruh. You trying it. Keep trying it. But yeah, we're gonna keep working, we're gonna keep grinding, we're gonna get up there. Our little setup about to get nice. Right now we ain't got too many options of setting up and stuff.
Which is okay.
Yeah.
Because you have to start somewhere.
Yeah, you do. But just keep watching. Keep watching.
Did you eat that piece I gave you?
Yeah, I did. It was really good.
You know, I felt bad because I took the bigger crab.
I'm dipping my whole hand in this sauce.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I didn't even use my lemon. Not like that.
I use a couple squirts of it.
I've been forgetting. This sauce so good, man. So good. I'm gonna do a collab with. Well, we gonna do a collab with Blove.
Yes.
That's our goal. That is one of our YouTube goals.
We haven't like reached out to her or anything,
No.
but
Not yet. But we will.
yeah. I know she got a lot going on, so. Like she's up there. So she would be doing us a favor by doing a video with us. You feel me?
Right. And she said she gonna continue to do collabs with
People
the
regardless.
smaller people. Yeah.
Regardless.
The people that, you know, don't have that many subscribers and all that. Because, you know, there's a whole thing going on with her and this other YouTuber.
Quay. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say how I feel. Because I don't want nobody getting their feelings. I don't know who's fans of her. But I just feel like if she wasn't feeling the collab from jump, when she walked into their house and she wasn't feeling the collab, she should have just deaded it right then. Versus waiting months to say anything. And then she was just acting like she was just so happy while she was at Blove's house. Sat up there and was like, oh my gosh, I just love her. I love her family, blah, blah, blah. Blove wasn't treating her no type of way. Her family wasn't treating her no type of way. You can't go into somebody's house to do a collab. You're going into somebody's house to do a collab with that particular person, and then you want everybody else to speak to you? No, you there to make your money. You there to do that collab with that one person. If her husband didn't speak to you, oh well. If her son didn't speak to you, oh well. But they did, so honestly,
I don't know. Like I had seen the video, like they done a little response video, and I didn't know what was going on at the time. You know, I was just new to watching Blove stuff, So, but I came across the video and I watched both stories, yeah, both sides of it. And I don't know, I mean,
it sounded like hers was fake.
Yeah, I mean, and then she was saying that Blove's son was acting like a diva and all that.
Not wanting to speak to her, like, but her son,
But him,
from what they say, is very shy.
that's what he's saying, and he's like, you know, he's not gonna be how he is on camera. When he's at home, you know, you at home, so you just like
You in your own comfort zone.
And he wasn't doing the collab; he wasn't a part of it. So, I mean.
And she was like, yeah, I was asking for everybody. I was asking, oh, where's your son? Where's your husband? I want to meet everybody. The fact that she tried to make B-Love look like she was a mean person, just really like, she shitted her own self with that one. And everybody knew that. You want to share this one with me?
Go ahead.
Shit herself on that one. Oh, shit. Because what was I even talking about?
She messed herself up. Can I have this one? Let's see what she was gonna say. You know, I think
we have to ask each other because we're greedy as fuck.
Yeah, we will start a fight over some food.
Real quick. 0 to 100. Real quick.
See, she keeps singing these songs. And they're gonna be like, you can't post that video.
We cutting it all out.
Yeah, we'll cut it out. I think I do have an allergy to shrimp. Cause I feel alright when I eat the crab legs. But I think it's the shrimp, dude.
Maybe it is. I'm feeling a little
worse.
A little sick right about now.
How I get an allergy this late in the game, and I just started eating shrimps and stuff. Shrimp and crab leg. I was eating shrimp first. But how I get an allergy this late in the game?
It happens.
Ain't nothing but the devil. Look at that. Ain't nothing but the devil.
Y'all. But I feel bad that B-Love family even had to go through it. Y'all, I'm a potty mouth. For a minute, until I get used to not cussing, we gonna be bleeping out a whole lot.
And I like rarely even cuss.
Cause just how I express myself, but it's not a good thing.
You know, it's like the reason people cuss so much.
Wow.
Cause they basically how they express themselves, but they do it. Well, people look at it like it's a unintelligent way of expressing yourself.
Yeah.
Like you can't find the words, or you don't know other words that to put right.
That's true. It's very, for me.
Or some feel like it helps them get their point across. But I don't feel the need to cuss.
Yeah.
I mean, she cuss a lot, and I'd be like, babe, really?
But even off camera.
Yeah. But I mean,
I'm just used to. I've always was raised around cussing.
And I wasn't shaving my bag. No.
What you talking about? This meat?
You want this?
Oh yeah. You want this?
No, you trying to give me. She petty.
No, this was mine. I ate mine.
That's not yours?
No.
Oh, that is mine. Yeah, that's off of mine. Yeah.
I wanted that.
You say you ate yours. I didn't even have one. Oh, seafood boil.
Y'all, I love those claws. Like, I'm gonna buy some. Buy like a whole bunch of them.
Yeah, they had some. They had them for like, what was it? $25 a pound? What? When we see that Publix.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
At $25 a pound.
I'm going to do a video on with Babe.
I'm going to get me some lobster tail. I ain't got it yet. I was going to get one today, but like, when they said they didn't have no king crab, it just threw me off. I was just ready to go home. I didn't want to go grocery shopping or nothing. I'm ready to go home. But I was trying to stay in a positive mood, and I didn't want her to think like she was being a big baby. But I was. I was in my feelings. But I just kept going.
Wait. What are you talking about?
At Kroger, when they said they didn't have king crab.
I know.
I was in my feelings.
That one I just ate
Look at
tastes
that,
like sea.